everybody knows you're mad.
Yeah, that know me directly, not people that don't know me at all.
But they know you on the YouTube that you're mad. They want to know you're mad.
I'm not mad.
Okay.
I'm not mad. Hello guys.
Can you tell me if it's recording?
This is
the red dot.
addisshow.com.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Addie, and welcome to my new kitchen. First of all, you know, I'm gonna do a kitchen tour sometimes, probably never. But welcome to my new kitchen. Today I have my dear friend here. She's looking for her keeps. She's looking for food. Because gone are the days when Addie will be cooking and bitches sitting over there waiting for me to get done. No. If you want to be my food taster, you will work for your keeps out here. So, Lade is helping me make the Ninja platter. This sexy, it's heavy, bro. This sexy platter, we're going to be making it for you, so stick around. And before you go, turn on your notification. Turn on your notification. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. We'll be right back. Alright, to get started, I already washed my chicken. And in order for the flavor to penetrate, I'm going to just stab the chicken. I'm going to just... I'm going to stab the chicken violently. I'm going to put it in a bowl. And we're going to start to season. I'm sorry guys, my voice is still kind of gone. I swear to God, since like 4th of July and me having my hot girl summer, my voice keeps coming and going and coming and going and toyo. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to salt, black pepper. Next I'm going to put pepper flakes. You put this according to your taste really. Like I like spicy food. I'm a Yoruba girl. I like my food hot. Ginger, 1 tablespoon. Roasted garlic, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of bouillon cube. Just a little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to get my spatula and turn this chicken on its own. Next, I'm going to place this in the refrigerator, let it marinate for about 2 hours. Then, hopefully, if it's not raining, we're going to put it on the grill. If not, we're just going to bake it in the oven. Alright, so since it's still raining outside, we're going to grill this in the oven. This chicken has been marinated for approximately 3 hours now, so it is super ready. I'm going to be using my copper crisper, and I'm just going to lay it down. Let me lay it down this way so we can get more room. So I'm going to put it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. Check on it, see how it is. We want it to be grilled, we want it to be crispy as if it was grilled on the grill. How is it so hard to remember that? On the grill, so I'm going to leave it in, bake it in high heat, and then we're going to broil it so it can be crunchy.
So I'm going to use her to do slavery and make her wash the plate.
You want to eat free food? You want to eat free food or not?
Yes.
Okay, then
But I gotta wash no
shut up! Fuck up! So now to make our platter, you know, like I said, our platter is gonna include yam, plantain, and wings. 3 of my favorite things in one plate with some sauce. So I'm going to use my lovely assistant here, Lade, to help me cut the yam because I just can't continue cooking. We want to cut it in like spares, so not too thin, but not like overly thick either. So you're gonna have to like cut it long ways, like that. But don't cut the yam with it. Like don't overdo it. I like to cut it in half so I can see what I'm doing. So you can cut it in half. Okay. There you go. And now turn it back the other way. There we go. And now cut down. Okay, little daddy. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, little daddy, I got it.
You're so stupid. You're so stupid.
If kids are watching, please chase them away from that computer. They learn how to use wine to make zobo.
You can hide it from your parents, children. Auntie Addie will teach you all the bad things.
And
Hitting on my swag like, man.
Ain't nobody hating on your side.
Why y'all make this hate?
Nobody hating on you, Lade. Come sit down.
Hating on my ass like crazy. Hating on my ass like, I'm gonna shine when I'm gonna shine. Hey, okay, let me go.
Don't cut the yam, please. So the deep fry is heating up and Lade is doing something over here. Let me get her a bowl because she didn't think she needed a bowl.
Excuse me, she gave me a knife and said cut, and I cut, and now she got a problem. You can never please these hoes. Nope.
We have children watching this show. Did I just say we have children?
Children, repeat after me. You can never please these hoes. Thank you.
Children, children, don't listen to this auntie. I'm gonna buy your shit. Okay. Didn't I say spears? Are they spears?
She said cut it.
Easy with the knife, not that me.
She said cut it, I cut it. Now she's shouting spears.
Didn't I say spears? I was like, guys, we're going to cut this into spears.
How about I finish this, then I can spare it up because ain't no bowl to put it in, you know?
You didn't think of getting a bowl?
And now I have the bowl,
Why
now I
get the
can
bowl?
spare it. Oh, this is not my bowl.
This is your bowl, yeah, start spearing.
Hey, but don't tell me what I put inside.
Please,
You
you
bring
bring back. You bring back.
So spears as in round or circle like
Spears.
or spear.
Spear.
Oh, like okay, like what's that thing? Motombo and Kunta Kinte. Okay.
What's that movie?
Like this?
Lord's no, what's that? God.
The gods are not crazy.
The gods must be damned up. The gods
must be crazy.
Yeah, like
Or roots.
Yeah.
Kunta Kinte.
Kunta Kinte spears.
Yeah.
Okay, no, smaller than that.
Smaller than this.
Cut it in half.
I like it the way it is. Though it's big and it's juicy.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
That is not welcome back to my show. You're not allowed to come back. Lade, is that one half? Will it to the toby? Oh, Koshebaji.
You know what's funny? This
What?
girl would have taken this knife and cut it her damn self.
But you want to eat free food?
It's not free, technically, it's love food. This is too big for her.
Cut it in half. I will yell this your way. Yeah, not see. That's what you said. No, you're not gonna come back now. We're gonna cut the plantain.
Is it not yam they said I should cut?
No, we're gonna cut the plantain. The key to cut the yam. I didn't do demo, so this time I'm gonna do a demo so you can see it. Are you watching?
No.
Okay.
So I'm being abused, guys. And treated badly.
Sure, fuck off.
Yay.
I did it for this slow poke because if not,
All she needed to say is slice it diagonally or angularly, how you normally fry dodo, and then cut it in half.
Angular.
That's all you needed to say, bitch.
I said spherical,
She's looking for spherical, bitch.
spherical.
This ain't the world, honey. This ain't no Mother Earth. We can't cut no spears
You
yet.
need to spherical.
I should cut it circle. This, yes, yeah.
I say spear, not.
Oh, not a spear. Oh.
Frying this, I'm going to rinse this and remove the water. Add a bit of salt and sugar so it can be a little bit sweet. Then we're going to fry the plantain. And the sauce at the end, if you have watched any of my cooking show and I make a sauce, it's the same thing. Not it.
Yar.
Are you cutting it?
Yar.
You're doing good.
Yar.
Turn extra.
I
So
say.
I'm putting salt. I'm just drizzling a little bit of salt. The amount of accents in this video is very confusing. You need to choose what will stick to it.
We're in Texas, so we're gonna have
You want
Niger accent,
You want to do Texas?
Oyibo accent,
Let's do
Texas
Texas.
drawl,
Let's do
Ebonics.
Texas. We're in Texas, y'all.
We're in Texas, y'all. How y'all doing?
So we're gonna put a little bit of.
Howdy.
I don't know if they can follow this instruction anymore, cause you talking shush. So what Lada has done is cut the. Come back. No, don't be an idiot. Come back. Where you going? You want to eat free food? Washishe. Anyways, so let's cut this into little halves, and I'm putting some salt on the yam. And let's going to wash your hand first. Resolve. So Lade is going to now mix it all together. You want to dry it?
Why do I need to dry the hand? Things wet already.
We're going to fry itself, so don't worry.
This girl has found what's it called, apprentice. Because have you noticed before she did all this thing herself with her own hand?
Then I thought about it. I'm like, wait, I have able bodies here. Either come. I have able bodies here. Why am I suffering myself? I need to delegate. I can come and kill myself. Good girl. Mix. Lade job. Behind brain. It's enough message. Thank you. Yeah, come on, wash your hand.
This is what you call instructional. She's instructing you and instructing me. We all been instructed, honey.
Shut up, focus.
Wow.
Look at it. It is so nice and crispy. Right now it has a nice glaze going, but I want it to be a little bit more crisp than this, so I'm going to stick it back in the oven.
Fry the yam.
Yeah. Lade, don't be an idiot. This is natural. People will see you and be able to Google this video.
Yes, now yam is sweet.
Okay.
It's my favorite snack. Or food.
Nah, yam, what is it?
Food.
In the yam, snack.
Ida, don't you love yam? I'm Vanna White. She's frying the yam.
So I'm frying the yam over here in the deep fryer. And next I'm going to fry the plantain. So stick around. Let me go borrow this girl's sense. When she comes back, she will act correctly. Alright guys, so Lade has fried the plantain and the yam. She did take the top of the yam, so half of it is bitter.
Did she tell me to take it off? No.
Everyone knows that. Are you not Yoruba girl? Have you not? You want only make cliche and correct? You will not take the top off.
No, I thought people took it off because it was dry. I didn't know because it was bitter.
It was bitter.
I don't know the reason now.
Oh, yeah,
I learned how to
it's
cook on my own. Nobody taught me how to cook. Excuse me.
Me too.
You'll be fine.
The yam is bitter, but don't do like Lade.
It'll be sweet.
Make sure that you cut off the top and the bottom at least an inch off the top so that your yam is not bitter. Alright, but we're gonna eat this bitter ass yam with this fire sauce though.
It tastes good though.
It tastes good though.
That's all that matters though.
It tastes good though. Anyways, so in the Ninja platter by Addie, we have the fried yam. What is your name for fried yam?
Dundu.
We have dundun. We have some. Are you Snapchatting in the middle of my video? Are you
Sorry.
Jesus. Okay, so we have the amazing wings. This oven roasted wings because the weather wants to do Oloshi things and be raining when we want to grill. So we have oven roasted wings here, and then we have this lovely mountain of plantain. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all. Y'all, bitch. Come too far. Really back in. Really back in.
I'm back. See, the thing is, right, I may seem like I'm not normal, but I am. It's just that sometimes, just some wire, just get like
Shut up. I'll tell you. This sauce is lit. And it's amalo a bit spicy. Usually I do like where it's spicy, Yoruba people spicy, but this is amalo a bit spicy because
no, let me be the judge of that.
Auntie over here don't eat pepper.
I don't like pepper, please.
Auntie over here doesn't eat pepper. Okay.
Not that I don't eat pepper, I don't feel like too much pepper kills the taste of food.
Or too much pepper. If I'm not doing,
I can't taste the food.
am I eating? If I'm not,
It's a bit spicy. Could have gone, the heat could have been kicked up a little bit of notch, but we'll manage.
wait, I made it not too spicy because of your stupid
No, I
self.
love it. It's fine. I'm just saying I could have handled more for you, not for me. This is fine for
You
me.
think compromising?
This is fine for me. I'm saying that I could have
It's
actually
not
let her
spicy.
pass the threshold so that she could get what she wanted. But this is fine for me. But I know she wanted it more.
So
spicy.
what
She
people
would've
can
gone
eat
higher.
this sauce? Because instead of using like
It's like
10,
a very spicy white style.
or American.
Yeah, even you
Because
know, yeah, even American.
American people, they think they can eat pepper, but they really
they
can't
do
eat
not.
pepper.
They can't handle heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, Ida. Come on, Ida. Your honest.
That's our pet.
Butter patch here. Wow. Oh my god, my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's what you call sticky.
Not when something is too tasty, you have to pick the
You're disgusting.
from the fluff. What to do?
Lady doesn't even like things, so she like this. That's why this is certified good, y'all. She don't even eat chicken like that. And this is good.
And we got the bone. So
Like, if you don't eat the bone, are you even eating chicken? Like, I don't eat the bone. Are we eating chicken? Wait. Baby shark. No, that's how you start it. Like, baby shark. Baby shark. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I am never bringing my friends on camera again because I've been so distracted. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I just said bye.
bye.
Bye.